5. It shows us 5 and over.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think now you're going to have to put the nails in there. You want to put the nails in the holes?
Yes.
Okay. Put the other one in. Put the other one in.
It's almost pounded in.
Yeah, I know. We don't have to pound that one very much. Okay, one more. Painting would be so much fun. Okay, now there's the hammer. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let me give that one a little slap. That one needs a little help, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we got to put the chain on it. Says it's the last part we have. Okay, connect one end of the chain. Huh? Let's say we have extra. Put one end of the chain on the hook.
Oh, that's what we do.
Yeah. Okay, then it says
Other.
run it through the bottom of the roof, across the top, and back down, attaching it to the other hook. Whoop, you didn't do that very well, did you? You have to attach that. Okay, I think what we'll do is
Why does that keep happening?
because we didn't do it right. Okay, now you take it under the roof. And here comes the roof. Here comes the roof. Okay, and then it goes up through this, like that, and you got to hook it onto the other thing. Like that.
And then we can hold it up. We can do this.
Oh, except for we got to go through this hole here, won't we?
Let's hang it up.
Yeah, but let's put it through this hole first.
Put it through the hole.
Yep, and then you can hook it up. Can you hook it on the hook? Got it? Wow! Look at that!
Now can we hang it up on the tree?
Well, we have to paint it.
Oh,
Big. The hard part is now. What colors are you going to paint your birdhouse?